Hello everyone, welcome. This is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today what we're gonna be looking at is this amazing language learning app called LingoDeer. So let's go and start using our LingoDeer. So you can have an account. If you have an account, you can just click there. But if you don't have one, you know what to do. You're gonna go and click start. So we have click start, but before we choose a language to learn, do not forget to like this video right now, even right now, or after you finish watching. But also don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you know what? You need more information coming from this side, so go and hit that button too. So, which language would like to learn today? I know English, I think. Vietnamese, too hard. Portuguese, too much. Russian, Korean, maybe German, Italian. Let's go with French. I love French. So courses for English speakers we do have right here. Courses in more languages. Let's see. Oh, I don't know these ones. So, but we're gonna go with courses for English speakers. And I believe that I'm an A1, like an introduction to the language, like not lower A1, but A1 to A2. That's how I am in French, I believe. So let's go. Let's go with this one just for you guys, so you guys get to learn a bit more too. So, well, we have a gift. Get full access, get unlimited access, and learn anytime, anywhere. 50% off. Let's see. Actually, free French pass, multilingual pass. I don't know. I'm not gonna go with this today, at least. Let's close this. So let's start with basics. As you can see, we have our learning tips here, and see what are our learning tips. They let us know about the non-genders. I know this is one of the hardest part about learning French. Indefinite, definite, le or el. Okay. Je, tu, il est. Être, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Yeah, you might think like they all sound the same, but no, they're not. Okay, this is good. I liked it. And then we have our lessons here. And then after we finish our lessons, we get to watch a story that I believe, which I really liked. And because sometimes it's not like, how can I say? You go, right? You'll start listening or you start learning a language, but it is all like, how can I say? It's just like grammar. It is like, it becomes so boring, to be honest. But I like this, yeah. So let's go. Actually, we also have alphabet. Let's see how does it looks. Quick reminder, type a word in a sentence to check its detailed explanation. Okay. Professeur. Étudiant. Français. Pas par le premier. Lire. This means reading. Isn't it? Hello. I don't know these ones, but there is a lot of things we can see. I like that. Blanc. It means white. So you can keep going down. There's a lot of information. So as you can see, we have our plural, numbers, greetings, simple presents. Then we're gonna have to take a test, I believe. Then we have our questions, objects, colors, animals, adjectives. We have a lot of things, guys. You see, then you can level up. So let's go to review. So we have our 5-minute quizzes here. We have our vocabulary, grammar, and knowledge cards. From membership, you can get your membership and then you can get full access to everything. And I think if you guys start actually using this app, you will understand why you should get it, if you ask me. And go and give it a try. And from here, let's go to our profile, me. I haven't signed up as you guys have seen, but here, let's assume that I did. Here it's going to show my day streaks, weekly ranks, my achievements, and as you can see, my overview, which I will be earning points as much as I do things, right? And I'm trying to see like what else. Yeah. And from here we have like language learning. Let's see. As you know, we have chosen French. Maybe we see the first one, oh, this is too easy. I think I'm better than that. So you can change it clicking like that. It will change one click. As you can see, everything is changing. Household, position, weather, dates, hobbies. I mean, this could be a way to not to get the full one. So as you can see, you can just choose it and get better. Just a tip from me. Or you can go to fluent French, Or maybe you just want to change the whole language and you want to go Spanish. Let's go for Spanish. Let's go to our basics. Let's see our lesson 1. Oh. Hola. Okay. I cannot, yeah.
Hola.
Let's hear it one more time.
Hola.
Yeah, okay. From here, you can record yourself. And from here, you can hear it again.
Hola. Hola. Hola.
From here, you're going to record your audio. Okay, but we're not
Hola.
gonna... Okay, let's go to the next one. A boy, niño.
Niño.
Continue. We have niña. Un niño.
Un niño. Una niña.
Una niña. Yes, let's check. Bravo. Continue. Un niño.
Un niño
Yo
y una niña.
Un niño y una niña. A boy and a girl.
Niño.
Niño is niño, boy. Un niño y una niña. Yeah, so as you guys see, I am getting very good at it.
Abogado.
Abogado. Okay, I liked it. Let's check. Abogado.
Abogada.
It's hard. The pronunciation is hard. Okay, for now, let's leave it. As you can see, when we click there, we gotta get our learning tips for basics. You see, we have everything here. And it's from here. So when we click, it's on the left corner. When we're gonna click on that, we're gonna be able to see all of the tips. When we click to this settings, which is in the top right corner, we can change this, turn on or turn off our sound effects. We can turn on or turn off our animation. We can change our background. We can change the font size, as you can see. So when we and I think you actually cannot You have to finish to go out, I believe. Yeah. Un abogado, una abogada. Yeah, let's finish then.
El abogado.
Okay.
La abogada.
El abogado y... Oh, no. El abogado.
Abogado. Y la abogada. El abogado
Excellent.
y la abogada.
Yes, I think I'm okay with it, you know. So I will keep doing it, but let me close this video. Let me stop recording for now. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions about this app or about this video, you can ask me in comments. And also if you have any suggestion, you can let me on the comments. And don't forget to hit the like button for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you should, and go hit that button too, so we can see each other in my next video.